sip and serve with Russels.
Today, we're making homemade fish Cornish. Let's get started. Let's start by making the dough. Here's what you'll need: margarine, yeast, sugar, milk powder and salt, and flour. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour and yeast. Then add milk powder, sugar, and salt. Mix everything together. Next, add margarine and mix until it resembles breadcrumbs. Slowly pour in water while kneading until you get a soft, smooth dough. Cover the dough and let it rest for about an hour, or until it doubles in size. While the dough is rising, let's prepare the filling. For the filling, we'll need salmon, onions, garlic ginger paste, curry leaves, and lemongrass. Aromatic spices like curry powder, chili flakes, and cumin powder, salt and pepper, oyster sauce for that extra depth of flavor, and vegetable oil. Heat some vegetable oil in a pan and sauté garlic ginger paste, curry leaves, and lemongrass until they're fragrant. Next, add chopped onions and cook until soft. Now add the flaked salmon. Stir in the oyster sauce. Then sprinkle in chili flakes, curry powder, and cumin powder. Mix well. Don't forget salt and pepper. Cook for a few more minutes and let the filling cool completely before using it. Now it's time to shape our Cornish. Take the dough and roll it out. Then, cut it into circles. Remove the excess. Now place a spoonful of the fish filling in the center. Egg wash the edges. Then carefully fold it over to form a half-moon shape. Seal the edges to keep everything inside while baking. Arrange the Cornish pastries on a baking tray and, for that beautiful golden color, brush them with a little milk or egg wash. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they turn golden brown and crispy. And there you have it. Serve warm with your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.